Hi everyone and welcome to another reaction video. Now, before I tell you what video I will be reacting to, I do want to say that we are getting closer to the 100th reaction video. Oh my god, almost 100. Oh god, time does go so quickly when I'm having fun. So, what my plan is to react to one of my family members' videos on YouTube. Now, I don't know which one yet, but if I do, then I will react to it and I will let you guys know in the video. So stay tuned, guys, and please subscribe, and yeah, I can't wait. Anyway, going back to this video, I will be reacting to Holly makes a funny noise and leaves Phillip in tears of laughter. So, the link will be in the box below, and go and subscribe to this morning official YouTube channel. Let's do this. Be sure to watch this video too.
Bess, you alright?
Sorry.
Bit of sandy clam stuck in your throat?
What was that noise? You've never made that noise.
To be honest, I never heard of that noise by her before.
Just keep out.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
That's going to be the best beat for the Thursday, for a Thursday.
And there's our best bit for a Thursday.
You gotta laugh after that.
Oh god. Stop making me cry.
That is laughing.
Oh, what was that noise? Can I have one, please?
What the hell was that? You've never made that noise before.
I need to hear it back.
Oh, we've got it.
Oh, here we go.
What the hell was that? What is this? I want that as my ringtone. We've just got the sound.
It should be when you get a text message.
Yeah, when it get... Oh, got a text. Oh, God, enough. Oh, there we go. Have a lovely weekend.
Oh my god, I'm worn out.
To what?
Okay, so I will end the video here. But before I do, go and tell the video because it's so funny. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more reaction videos. Leave a like, comment, follow me on social media, and I will see you all in my next reaction video. Bye now.